Step up your memory making with the Kodak Step Instant Print digital camera. This will be a how-to video on everything and anything this exciting device can do. The Kodak Step has a beautiful packaging that makes it great for gifting. It comes in both white and black variants. Slide the bottom portion off to find a box containing all of your accessories. We've got a micro USB cable for charging and transferring pictures. A lanyard that can strap onto your Kodak Step, making it even more portable. And you'll find a starter pack of Kodak ZINK paper, which will be used to print all of your photos. Pull the top plastic forward to release your Kodak Step device. First, we will insert your Kodak ZINK paper into the back of your camera. Rip the packaging and pull out your blue ZINK Smart Sheet. Place the Smart Sheet face down on the printer bed. Place the ZINK paper glossy side up on top of it. Close the latch door. Flip the camera and remove the magnetic cap from the lens. Flip again and find the power button on top, and your viewfinder will pop up. Here we have our color mode selector. Press it to change what color you'd like your prints to be in. We have our frame button. Press it to add a border to your images. And here is our self timer. Hold it and a photo will be taken in 10 seconds time. Last is our shutter button. Press it to take a picture. This is where the magic happens. All of your prints will come from this slot. We also have a flash in front for when you need a little extra light. Press the shutter button and your camera will begin reading your ZINK Smart Sheet paper. Once this process is over, remove it and place it somewhere safe. Let's try taking a standard color mode picture. I've set up a fruit basket for this test. Press and release your shutter and place the camera down. In seconds, I've got my lifelike print. Let's try this again, but this time in black and white. Snap, print, and look at that, another masterpiece. Let's see if we could get a border around the next one. Press the frame button, line her up, and now we've got a perfect border around our snapshot. For a little extra fun, try pressing down on the shutter button for 3 seconds. Your camera will enter Photobooth mode. Every 4 seconds, a new picture is taken and added to your print. You also have the option to add a micro SD card to your camera. Alternatively, you can also use the micro USB cable that was included, connect to your computer directly, sending all of your images up to your favorite social media platforms. The bottom is also threaded for you to add your favorite tripod. Whether you're an avid traveler, a social influencer, a nostalgic partygoer, or the on-the-go photographer, one thing is for certain, printing pictures does not need so many steps. The Kodak Step camera makes it as easy as point, shoot, and print.